Good morning, YouTubers. Sunday morning here. Just doing a little smoking, some pork, some chicken. Got more charcoal going. See what we got. Yeah, look at that. Some pork, a little chicken, some smoked salmon. Not looking too bad. It's about 10:30 now. I put it on about 5:30 this morning. Using a little apple wood and some charcoal. Not looking too bad. Let's pour this in there. See how she is. This thing here is a Weber. Absolutely love this charcoal starter. No lighter fluid, no nothing required, no chemicals. Nothing worse than having that lighter fluid taste in your barbecue. You just fill it up with the charcoal, put some newspaper underneath, light it up and let it burn through. Throw a couple more chunks of apple wood in there. And that's it for now. Hope everyone enjoys their day. I'll post another video later on today when this is all done. Thanks a bunch.